and welcome to my Lakeside Village, and thanks for joining with me here today. It is very important to have a slow evening after a long day. Today I'm going to share with you 4 easy ways to have a slow, relaxing and rejuvenating evening. A slow evening improves my sleep and makes me ready for the next day. So let's get into it. Follow me. I usually start preparing dinner around 5:30. I try having dinner around 6:30 p.m. to provide more time for food digestion before bed. It also allows me to take an early exit from the kitchen. If you try early dinners, let me know how it went in the comments below. Warm vegetable soup is a go-to at my place in the cooler months. You can use whatever is in your garden or in your fridge. Just chop everything up and throw them in with a homemade vegetable stock with condiments to taste. It is light, healthy, tasty and super easy to prepare. While it cooks, you can clean up the rest of the kitchen or hang the clothes to dry. Engaging in some light activity after dinner assists with digestion and re-energizes me. Do something that you like and that relaxes you. More often, I like to do something in the garden. I have an abundance of herbs in the garden. We like to drink a variety of homegrown herbal tea. The herbs also become an essential part of my cooking ingredients. I dry the mint leaves for tea. Thyme, basil, oregano and rosemary will be used in the herb mix for roasts and sauces. I consider it a luxury to be able to have my own homegrown herbs. This activity helps me slow down and focus on one thing at a time, which in turn keeps my mind in the present. It is so relaxing. During the day, we engage in a multitude of activities. I juggle between work, kids, lesson preparation for the mindfulness school, creative projects, housework, cooking, cleaning, gardening, and the list goes on. Sometimes I won't get through all of them. I try to let go and free myself of all those expectations to be perfect. I have come to realize that my best is always enough. At the end of the day, try and find one thing that you can do for yourself as an act of self-kindness and gratitude. Most evenings, I turn to a warm bath or shower. It is a way of showing kindness and gratitude towards myself. I use a plethora of low-cost and eco-friendly products like Epsom salt, baking soda, oatmeal and lavender oil as my bath salt. It helps to relax my muscles. Rose petals infused water that I made a while ago adds a refreshing effect to the water. I like to light candles to create a hotel room ambience and fragrance. Calming music, smell of the candles, and the warmth of the water helps me focus on the present. Hardly does a thought come to my mind about the day that has gone by or the one yet to arrive. It helps me to let go of both the past and future. The relaxation brought by this soothing environment has heightened my senses that allow me to just be right here in the present moment. The power of the present is empowering and liberating. After the shower, I treat myself to a simple skincare routine using oils. I'll share the routine in an upcoming video. Cleansing the mind is as important as cleansing the body to enhance a good night's sleep. I turn to a calming meditation session for this purpose. Most of the time, I practice breath meditation. Breath is always in the present, and I only have to sit comfortably and observe the breath. My mind also starts to slow down as the breath calms down. Finally, I make a journal entry, which is a reflection on how my mind feels at that time. Now it is time for me to relax and invite a good night's sleep. If you slow down methodically, you won't struggle to fall asleep. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Until we meet again, I wish you all good health and well-being.